working on a big battery. It was slammed dead. I got it. It's 48 volts, but I took it apart where I could charge it with two 24-volt chargers. I got it back to life. Big Reliant. So it's a big one. In that big waterproof case, 48 volts. It's a fine battery. Yep. Over and out. Got the old diggers. A Mach-E. I like my Mach-E. It's a really nice car. Really great gas mileage. Of course, you gotta have a F-250 with a 6.7, so on that baby will pull it down full whatever I hook it to. So far, you got panels everywhere. Big battery. Over and out. We got her fixed. She's charging up.